Coming up here, we're showing you how to pack like a pro before this weekend's travel and adventure show. Yay! Let's go somewhere. 9:32 and our 15th annual Washington, D.C. Travel and Adventure Show returns this weekend with special guests and the biggest deals on your dream vacation. But before you take flight, you will have to battle the airport gauntlet. So we have got travel expert Angel Castellanos here with how to keep stress at bay on your next getaway. And packing like a pro is what we're talking about here.
Absolutely, yeah.
All right, you're going to be at the Travel and Adventure Show both days this weekend.
I'm one of the many speakers at the Travel and Adventure Show. Lots of exhibitors. It's the internet come to life. Great place for travel inspiration.
Good. Okay. Real quick, what is the biggest mistake that people make when it comes to packing?
They pack too much, or they really don't think about their trip ahead of time.
Okay.
And they don't think about what they're going to pack in, or even their mobility.
Okay.
I think people need to really double check the website of the airline they're flying on, because especially if you're on a foreign carrier or if you have a layover somewhere else, things can change. It's a huge game changer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where do we start?
So we start with a super lightweight suitcase.
Okay.
And then we think about what we're going to pack, but also we have to really organize everything inside of the suitcase, because what you want is a game of Tetris inside the bag, right?
We got bags on bags on bags.
Yeah. So we want a nice, neat, organized system here so you can easily remove everything. I have 2 weeks worth of clothes in here.
2 weeks?
And this isn't even my stuff in here. This is all my wife's stuff inside of this bag.
Okay, so ladies, it can be done.
It can be done, right? 3 pairs of shoes in here, 7 tops, a week's worth of undergarments, workout gear, toiletries, stuff for warmth, fleeces, down jackets.
And this is in one of the
the compressor bags.
Okay.
Yeah, and I actually think people should take 2 of these.
Okay.
One for your down jackets and fleece, but then the other one goes inside of your bag empty for
your
dirty laundry.
Clothes. Yes.
So if you're shopping and doing all that stuff.
Okay.
And then the main event is this folder. So instead of folding and rolling like you would in one of these cubes, you would fold and bundle like a beautiful dress like you're wearing. Slacks, men's Oxford shirts all go in here. So now
that's stuff that you're trying to keep from getting wrinkled.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So you're going to really minimize wrinkles, organize everything, and get through the airport in just an absolute breeze.
Okay.
So if you can pack 2 weeks in a small carry-on like this, then packing in your big bag becomes a whole lot easier. And this bag starts out at 5 pounds, and it's super great, super good looking. So then quickly I'll show you how we just repack.
What is it about keeping everything in individual cubes that seems to make it
a whole lot easier?
Yeah.
Well, you're folding and rolling, which is the classic way of maximizing the packing. But then you're also not undoing all that beautiful work that you've done, because here you know exactly where all of your long sleeve shirts are, where your undergarments are. And then at the very end, all you do is simply just...
Unbelievable.
Yep.
I cannot believe you have 2 weeks worth of stuff.
2 weeks worth of stuff.
This was an overnight bag for me.
Now,
Very impressive.
Including all of the shoes. And then what I do is I pack into my personal bag absolutely last. You may want to put an extra pair of clothes in here just in case this is gate checked.
Yes.
Right?
That's a great idea. That's a great tip. In case that whole thing gets lost, you've got at least one clean pair of underwear.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's another reason why you should double check not only the dimensions, but the weight restriction if you're on a foreign carrier or have a layover somewhere else.
Okay.
And for Pete's sake, bring your own water bottle. There's no reason to go bankrupt at the airport, right?
Yeah. And then your own snacks also.
Yeah, snack pack, all that good stuff, and of course your electronics. So what I like to do is I make myself a little comfort packet here. So all that stuff that I just want reachable, so I don't have to dig into this bag. This goes right in the front seat pocket there.
So you're talking like headphones, charger, that kind of stuff, chapstick,
eye drops, all that good stuff, right? That all goes in here. So Saturday, I'll be giving a packing demonstration and sharing all of my travel tips that I've learned from traveling to 80 countries worldwide.
Excellent.
And then Sunday, I'm talking travel technology.
Okay.
All of my favorite travel apps.
Okay, all your little gadgets. Okay, and here's the information on our screen right now. You will be there both days, Saturday and Sunday, this weekend at the Walter E. Washington Convention Center. And you can find details about the event at travelshows.com/Washington, D.C. Angel, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Safe travels.
Yeah, happy travels.
Thank you.